Normally, when you use the Get Data feature in Power BI Desktop, you are actually using the Power Query to get the data. Even if you don't use the Power Query window, the data is still being selected using Power Query. For example, when you select a data source such as CSV, and choose to transform the data, it takes you to the Power Query window, where you can apply filters, and select which data to load. However, not everyone likes Power Query, or sometimes, you may need to load data using SQL Query instead. Although you cannot use SQL Query directly to get data, today we will show you a way around to use SQL Query to get data, inside a Python script. Since we cannot directly use the SQL Query to get data, we will instead use SQL Query, inside a Python script. So, to get data from a CSV, we will connect to a Python script instead. In the Python script, we will import Pandas and Panda SQL libraries. Both libraries must be installed on your computer, in addition to the Python itself. After importing the libraries, we will use the Pandas library to read CSV into a data frame. Now, we will use the Pandas SQL to select data from the data frame, using SQL queries. First, we will select all the sales belonging to the Oakland store. We will use a simple SQL query, where we will filter the sales by store name. In our second query, we will get the sales by regions. We will use a simple SQL select query, with group by command. Whenever sum is used in a SQL query, it must be followed by a group by command. In the next query, we will get monthly cost and sales, by the state of Missouri. We will use the substring function, to select first 4 characters from date, which are the year. In the previous query, we selected the yearly cost and sales, without grouping the data by year. In this query, we will group the data by years, and replace the existing Missouri table with the grouped table. Our query is now complete. You can now press OK to get data from CSV file using SQL Query. All the tables you created using the SQL queries will appear in the Navigator window. We will select all of them and press Load to import them into Power BI Desktop. And this is how you can get data from a CSV or any other data source using SQL Query instead of Power Query. Let's start with our dashboard by creating a title using the text box visual. Now, we will display sales by region. To do that, we will import the sales and region fields from the regions table. We will select a donut chart to display sales by region. We will add the sales field to the values area of the donut chart. Next we will create a line chart to display the sales of Oakland store by date. We will add the date field to the x-axis and the sales field to the y-axis of the line chart. Finally, we will add a line column chart to display cost and sales by year in the state of Missouri. We will add the year field to the x-axis, the cost field to the column y-axis, and the sales field to the line y-axis. Our dashboard is now complete. Today, we showed you how to use SQL Query to import data into the Power BI desktop application, instead of using Power Query. To perform this task, you must have Python installed and configured, and Pandas and the Panda SQL libraries installed as well. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and updates.